Okay, my beautiful friends, you and me, we are together again on this lovely Monday. It's already starting out to be just freaking lovely. Let's talk about this. So December 14th, 2020, number one, stock futures are higher across the board. Stocks are going to open nicely in the green. All well and good, right? Go have a look at the dollar index or the Dixie. The dollar is freaking cratering right now. Cratering. And that should be no surprise to you if you follow this blog. I've been explaining this, writing articles about this and everything. This is a phenomenon that is not going to stop. It's going to get worse by design. By design. You understand? Period. The end. Let's talk about a few other things. Despite the fact that the dollar is cratering, gold and silver right now are under a little bit of pressure. Bitcoin is over 19,000. Cryptocurrencies made a really nice rebound higher over the weekend. Another non-surprise for you. Cryptos are going much higher. Okay? Understand that. Crude oil is near $48 a barrel. Okay, you know how that works. Crude gets bid higher, it boosts the entire energy sector, the financial sector, pulls stocks higher. What does this mean? New record highs for this market, period. The freaking end. Okay, 10-year yield, 0.92. Lovely. Okay, so what do we have? We have a dollar in free fall. It's cratering right now. We got the 10-year yield coming up. We got cash coming out of the debt market in an environment where the dollar is getting slammed. What does that do? Push stocks higher. What a surprise. Do you see how it works? This is a twisted system, and that's just the way it is. Now, I still believe we have a few issues. We got the Fed this week, as I covered yesterday. My markets a look ahead. Big week for the Fed. What's the Fed going to do? Well, the European Central Bank just increased its asset purchases by 37 freaking percent. The Fed is going to do something. I'm not sure what they're going to do, but they're going to do something. They're going to keep creating cash out of thin air. They're going to buy all the debt and everything else because this has been their grand plan since 1913 to become the lender and buyer of last resort at one time in the future. That's what this coronavirus is all about. They shut down the global economy to allow central banks to do what they're doing right now. Print on an epic scale. Acquire assets with cash created out of thin air on an epic scale. The dollar is dying in its current form. A new dollar is coming. A new set of rules is coming. A whole new paradigm is coming. Understand? That's where we're at. And you can make the system work for you right now, or you can get fleeced by it. It's up to you. They're going to vastly inflate. We know this. The central banks are going to do this. Period. There's no debating it. So you want to be in the opposite side of that trade, which means bet against this debt, become your own central bank. I will continue to say this until time immemorial. I've been saying this since time immemorial. That means hold hard assets, anti-debt units, gold, silver, and yes, cryptocurrencies, which are just like gold and silver in one aspect. They are anti-debt units which you own, okay? Period. So I'm tired of hearing all the nonsense of the misinformed out here. That's really the setup right here. It's pretty much a Goldilocks scenario for the markets. We have our Do Nothing Congress, which is expected to make some kind of announcement soon with regard to a stimulus package. But again, the Congress, all of them, they're all puppets of the Federal Reserve, okay? The Federal Reserve has been telling Congress, put it off, put it off, put it off with regard to a stimulus package, okay? I believe they're probably going to continue to kick the can down the road until they don't. So volatility in this market is going to be the norm until we get that announcement. We'll have to see how that plays out, period, the end. So expect more volatility. For my lions out here, I just introduced to you a extremely powerful intraday trading tool, my Lions Gate trading strategy, 100% free to you, or for anyone in the world. All you got to do is check it out. Go to my, subscribe to my free newsletter. It's right there. There's not a guy out here making this easier for you to capitalize on the freak show around you. Show me one other guy, really, and I will give them a lot of praise, because I am working my tail off to make this as easy for you as humanly possible. You know what to do from every aspect. Look at the situation around you and say, okay, what can I do to make it work for me, my family, the people I care about, or do I just want to lay down here and be destroyed? It's up to you. You can choose your own destiny here, because you cannot stop the wheels that are in motion at this present time. A dying dollar in its current form. I want you to continue to pay attention to this. You want to look at the dollar index or the Dixie for yourself? You want to see what it's doing? Go to my website, traderschoice.net. Top of the second page, there's a link in the description of this video. I got it all there for you in real time. Take advantage of these things. It's not for me, it's for you. You understand? All right, look, with that said, I'm going to let you all go. People, keep your eyes open. And for my lions out here, we're going to shred the living hell out of this market. There's no way we're losing. All right, I'm out of here. Love you all a lot. I'll see you at the end of the day.